Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable YouTube search history, explained clearly step by step clearly. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you actually use on YouTube. Tap or click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings on mobile or click Settings on the left side on desktop. On mobile, tap History and Privacy to find the history controls. On desktop, click Manage All History to open your Google Activity settings. If you are on mobile and you see Manage All Activity, tap it to open the same page. Look for the section called YouTube History on the Activity page. Tap or click Controls to see what YouTube is saving. Find the toggle or option that says Include your searches on YouTube. Turn off Include your searches on YouTube to stop saving new search history. If you see a pause button for YouTube history, select Pause to stop future tracking. Confirm the pop-up message by tapping Pause or Turn off when it appears. Go back to the YouTube app settings if you want to double-check the change. Now, return to History and Privacy on mobile to see more cleanup options. Tap Clear Search History if you want to remove past searches already saved. Confirm by selecting Clear Search History in the confirmation window. If you also want to reduce related tracking, tap Clear Watch History as well. Confirm the Clear Watch History action if you choose to do it. On the Activity page, select Delete to remove history by date range. Choose Last Hour, Last Day, All Time, or Custom Range depending on what you need. Select All Time if you want to fully wipe existing YouTube search activity. Confirm the deletion so the changes are actually applied to your account. If you use multiple devices, repeat the sign-in check to ensure the same account is used everywhere. Wait a few minutes for settings to sync across your phone, tablet, and computer. Test it by searching something on YouTube, then reopening your search bar suggestions. If searches are still appearing, revisit the controls page and confirm the searches option is off. Also check that you are not signed into a different Google account in another browser profile. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more easy YouTube privacy guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.